I have here an outdoor Wi-Fi extender. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, take it out, and then I'm going to show you the process of setting this up and using it. So there's the extender, some instructions, and then down below here, there's the power cord and some zip ties. So on the back, you've got a couple of different ways you can mount it. It's got a nice curved spot, so if you need to mount it to a pole, you can easily do that, and you can use the included zip ties to zip tie it to it. It's got a plastic one, and then it's got a little metal band that you can use as well, or you can just use some screws and hang it on a wall. So down on the bottom, if you pop open this cover, here's where your plugs are going to be. You got power, a LAN cable for input if you want to do it that way, and then a reset button. And then you also have your MAC address, your IP address, your password. The defaults are all printed right here, so they're easy to access when it comes time to set it up. So I plugged it in, and now that it's booted up, it's showing me this is flashing. That means it's waiting for a connection, so I can finish the setup process. So I'm going to grab my mobile phone, and I'm going to show you how to finish setting this up. So I got my phone here. There is a Wi-Fi with the TODAAIR name that is not password protected, so I'm going to go ahead and connect to that one, and then I'll show you what happens on my phone once it connects. So on my phone, it immediately recognized that I needed to set this up, so it took me straight to a login page. Again, the password is printed on the sticker. This is just the default password. You'll change this later on during the setup process. So now that I'm logged in, first thing I'm going to want to do is scan the Wi-Fi networks in the area so I can find the one that I want to repeat. So I found my Wi-Fi and I punched in the credentials so that it can connect to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and name this new repeater SSID and add some passwords to it. So I finished the setup process. It went ahead and rebooted. The WLAN is now flashing again, and I see the Wi-Fi showing up on my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to it now. So I was able to connect with my phone, and I do have internet connection, which tells me that this is operating and it is extending my Wi-Fi like it's supposed to. So this outdoor Wi-Fi extender is super nice. It's really nice because I can actually install this outside if I need to be able to extend the reach of my Wi-Fi outside my house. So I'd recommend this to anybody that wants to extend their Wi-Fi. This is a really simple and a really great item to do.